lecture we did question and answer of chapter 3 bird talk. Now today we are doing next topic team time. In that team time it is time to do the activity. Which type of activity we have to do today? Let's make finger puppets. I will show you the finger puppet. Look at the finger puppet, everybody. Which I have made, and I'll tell you the process of how to make finger puppet. So look at point number 1. Draw your favorite bird on a sheet of paper. Cut and color it. You have to draw a picture of bird. You have to cut it and color it like this. After that, take a strip of paper. You have to take a strip of paper. Paste the picture of the bird you have drawn on it. Here, paste the picture of the bird. आपको वो पिक्चर स्ट्रिप के साथ पेस्ट करना है like this. Okay, next point, tie the two ends of the strip. उसके बाद आपको वो स्ट्रिप की एंड है उसको टाई करना है, मतलब बांधना है. फिक्स इट ऑन योर फिंगर्स. उसके बाद आपको ऐसे फिंगर में फिक्स करके देखना है कि वो मेरी फिंगर में आती है कि नहीं वो स्ट्रिप. Your finger puppet is ready to talk. आपका फिंगर puppet है वो बातें करने के लिए रेडी है. Let your puppet fly along with your friends' puppets. तो आप अपना puppet आपके फ्रेंड्स के puppets के साथ फ्लाई करिए, मतलब इसको उड़ाइए. ठीक है? Look at the finger puppet properly. Like this you have to make at home. Next point, let's write. Listen to the sounds of the birds. Make a list of these words. Here example is given and you have to make another list of sound of bird. So I have written here two sound of bird. First one, tweeter, tweeter, tweeter. It's a sound of bird. And coo, coo, coo. So here I have written 3 sound of birds. Now write 4 sentences on birds using the following words. Here there are 6 words are given: nest, water, cheer, the word water, we have to make a sentence. So look at the last sentence. They drink water whenever they feel thirsty. जब भी वो लोग thirsty होते हैं, तब वो लोग पानी पी लेते हैं. So in this sentence, which word I used? Water. Yes. So in all 5 sentences, I used nest, water, chirp, fly, sky, wings. All the words I used in 5 sentences. So here, let's write. We have to complete. Now let's see next exercise. I read the instruction of this exercise. Write words that rhyme with the words given below. So in this exercise, what we have to do? We have to write rhyming words. The first one has been done for you. First one has been done for you. यहाँ पे जो एक spelling है, वो आपको करके दिया है. Which one is this? Grow, no, throw. Okay. Before we start this exercise, I'll tell you what is the meaning of rhyming word. Rhyming word means always ending with the same pronunciation. जो भी spelling है, उसका ending same है. ठीक है? So when I speak all the 3 words, you have to look at my face. Okay? Yes. Grow, no, throw. Okay? Now, next one. Here, there are 2 words are there and we have to write rhyme with the both words. Day, bay. Okay? So, we write the third word which are rhyme with the word day and bay. So, we have to write here say. Okay. Now, next one. Think. Rhyme with think. Which word we have to write here? We have to write here 2 words. So, think, blink. Okay. Think, blink and sink. So what do you mean by blink? मतलब जब हमारी eyes blinking होती है ना, ऐसे, इसे कहते हैं blink. And what do you mean by sink? Sink means जो हमारी wash basin होती है ना, उसे हम कहते हैं sink. Now next word, funny. Funny से कौन सा word rhyme होता है? We have to think about it. Okay? So funny, we have to write here sunny and bunny. So rhyming words of funny, we have write here 2 words, sunny and bunny. Next one, eat. Which word we have to rhyme with the word eat? Yes, we have to write here eat, need, need. Okay, what do you mean by need? Need means non-vegetarian. You all know very well. Okay, and need matlab neat and clean. Okay, so here we have write 2 words that rhyme with the word eat, neat and neat. Now the last word I have write here sing, think and king. So we have to write here think and Here, this exercise we have to complete. Now, next topic, say aloud. Here there are 9 words are there. Okay? Now let's see one by one. I'll speak all the words 3 times and you have to speak with me. Okay? So, first word is THINK. 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 Think मतलब सोचना. Now the next word THIS. 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 These हम कहाँ पे यूज करते हैं? Yes, जो things है वो हमारे नजदीक होती है तब हम THIS these यूज करते हैं और हाँ जब सिंगुलर थिंग होते हैं तब भी हम these का ही यूज करते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन TEN 10. TEN 10. TEN 10. So which spelling is this? You all know very well. This spelling of number 10. जो number 10 है ये उसका spelling है TEN 10. Next spelling THIN thin. THIN thin. THIN thin. Thin मतलब पतला. Okay. Next THAT that. THAT that. THAT that. What do you mean by that? That मतलब कोई चीज हमसे दूर है तब हम that यूज करते हैं और वो चीज सिंगुलर होनी चाहिए. ओके. नेक्स्ट स्पेलिंग TOP top. TOP top. TOP top. Okay, you all know very well what do you mean by top. Top is the name of a toy. ઓકે हम उसको गुजराती में कहते हैं ભમરડો. બરાબર આપણે એનાથી રમીએ છીએ. So now next spelling THREE3. 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 ये किसका स्पेलिंग है? यस नंबर 3. ओके 3 नंबर है उसका स्पेलिंग है THREE3. नेक्स्ट स्पेलिंग THOUGH दो. THOUGH दो. THOUGH दो. ओके दो means तेम छता. नेक्स्ट वन TANK tank. TANK tank. TANK tank. Okay, what do you mean by tank? मुझे पता है आप सबके घर ऊपर टेरेस में टैंक होता है उसमें क्या भरते हैं हम? यस वाटर. तो जो वाटर टैंक होता है ना उसे हम कहते हैं टैंक. So here the chapter number 3 bird talk completed.
आभार.